Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about the Moodle Mobile App, which is free and available for use with NC State's installation of Moodle. The mobile app can provide quick access to Moodle content while you're on the go. The Moodle Mobile App is mainly intended for students since it allows you to access the activities and resources within a course, but it can't be used for creating courses or modifying course content, so instructors will still need to use a full web browser when setting up courses in Moodle. First, let's take a look at how to get the mobile app and how to set it up. To be sure you're downloading the correct app, go to this URL first, download.moodle.org/mobile. There you'll find the links to the official Moodle mobile app for your iOS or Android device. Click the link for your platform and then download and install Moodle Mobile from the App Store just like you would with any other app. When you first open the app, it will ask you to enter the URL of your Moodle server, such as one of those listed in the description below. NC State uses several Moodle servers, so you need to make sure you're connecting to the correct one. I'm going to connect to the project server because I have a sample course there, but if you're connecting to actual NC State courses, you'll use the address for the courses server instead. Be aware that the courses server address includes the academic year as part of the URL. The first time you connect, you'll see a message telling you to log into the site in a browser window. And when you click OK, your device will switch over to a web browser and try to connect to the Moodle URL that you provided. The app has to do this the first time you use it in order to authenticate properly. Enter your username and password like you normally would. Once you're authenticated, you'll see a message asking if you want to open the site with the Moodle mobile app. Click Open and you'll be taken back to the app. You should now see your Moodle courses listed there, and you can simply tap on a course's name to access it. The next time you use the app, you won't have to authenticate through the web browser again. The app will just connect directly to Moodle. Now that I've connected the app to the Moodle server, I can quickly check in on my classes. Say I wanted to check my grades. I just tap the name of the course, then tap the menu icon in the upper right, then tap Grades. To get back to the course or the list of courses, I just tap back in the upper left. I can also access any of the resources in the course, such as documents or web pages, and I can participate in activities such as forums or assignments or quizzes. Here's how it looks in the app. I tap the name of the class, and the app displays all of the available topic blocks in the Moodle course. I tap a topic to see the contents of that topic. If I wanted to post in this discussion forum, I would just tap it, then tap the Add Topic button, and here's where I can type my forum message and post it to Moodle. Now I'll just back out to the course again using back in the upper left. If there are documents I need to download, I just tap the document link and then the Open button. From there, I can save the file to Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever services I have configured on the phone. So as you can see, the Moodle mobile app provides quick access to Moodle courses. However, there are some important things I want to caution you about when using the app. First, the mobile app can't do everything. The mobile app allows you to access most Moodle content, but there is some content in Moodle that can't be viewed with the app. If you try to access something that can't be displayed in the mobile app, you'll see a message telling you to use a web browser instead. The second thing I want to caution you about is that the course's server address changes each year. NC State updates Moodle every year, and as a result, the URL of the current academic server changes every year. This happens between the spring and summer semesters. So if you have the server address saved in the mobile app for the spring semester, you'll have to change that setting if you want to access courses in the following summer. The correct URL can be found in the description below. If you'd like more information about the Moodle mobile app in general, you can find the official documentation at moodle.org. If you're an instructor with questions about the mobile app, or if you'd like to know more about designing your course to be more usable for students with mobile devices, contact Delta's LearnTech Help Desk.